and we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 11. Let me show you how you can access more colors. In the last video I've shown you, you can left click on these swatches below to change the fill. If you hold shift and left click on the swatches, you're gonna change the stroke color. But there are more colors available. You can use these arrows for up and down to cycle through them. And when you reach the end, there are even more colors. You can access them by clicking on the 3 stripes. The color palette that should be active is the Inkscape default, and we're going to use that throughout our tutorials. Whenever I use a different color palette, I'm going to mention that specifically. And we can also configure this little row down here, but let me go back to Inkscape default first. I use configure, but this is just for the appearance, so you can enlarge the pinned colors, which are the four on the left hand side. I would recommend that you keep it enlarged. You can stretch to fill. It's also something that I keep. In general, I'm going to keep the default here as well, but you can make these tiles bigger and smaller. Aspect will be accessible when you uncheck stretch to fill, so you can simply stretch it a little bit instead of having these squares. You can enlarge the borders and even add more rows if you want to have them all visible at once. Once again, I'm going to keep it to default, and I'm going to use the Inkscape default color palette. So if yours looks different, make sure to check both of these, so the configuration, and then hit a preset, and then your color palette should look like mine here. And this is how you can access more colors in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.